Bostin Butterfly Fun Freebie. Find my templates by visiting my blog page. You can use ordinary corrugated card for this. Draw around your template and cut it out. You can find 4 more fun freebies on my blog page. Your cut-out butterfly should look like this. Now you need some newspaper and PVA glue. Scrunch up some newspaper and glue it down to form the body. My paper mache recipes are available on my website. Spread the paper mache over the newspaper to form the body. When everything is dry, paint it a colour of your choice. Don't forget to paint the edges. When you've finished, it should look like this. When the paint has dried, we can add some decoupage. Find some pattern papers or some fun words to stick on. When your glue is dry, we can add some finishing touches. I'm using some Posca paint markers to add a bit of sparkle. Your finished Bostin butterfly. For more ideas and things to make, visit my website.